the kids, I promise you. It's called Songbird. It's for my youngest daddy. I have a little songbird. She loves to dance and sing. A lovely little songbird has my heart on a string. When she sings, you can close your eyes. It's enough to make her old man cry. I have a little songbird. She loves to dance and sing. My baby, she's a cave cow, no place she'd rather be. My baby, she's a cave cow. She loves the surf and sea. Surfing out on Whitecrest Beach, I'm watching the humpbacks bleach. My baby, she's a cave cow. She loves the surf and sea. Don't you know that she's an acrobat, doing back springs in the sand? My baby, she's an acrobat. Now she's walking on her hands. She is graceful as a willow tree. The way she moves amazes me. My baby, she's an acrobat, doing back springs in the sand. Now here we are on your wedding day. Time for a little bird to fly away. Just remember what we always say. Promise everything will be okay. Now Roger has a little songbird. She loves to dance and sing. Roger has a little songbird. She wears his wedding ring. May your song stay rich and true, and all of your dreams come true, and your nest be full of songbirds too. Roger has a songbird. She loves to dance and sing. I have a little songbird, a lovely little songbird, a precious little songbird. She loves to dance and sing.